My name is Nancy Krasny. I'm running for my second term in office on the Beverly Hills City Council. The residents gave me a mandate to go in and change the culture at City Hall. I'm going to continue to demand the high ethics and accountability for the staff and anyone that comes into City Hall. I think it's a critical thing when people testify that they announce who they work for. Council members should not be involved in the development plan agreements with developers. Period. Let's start with William Morris as the perfect example.
I bet my council seat when they built this, they would never move in.
They gave enormous density for the new William Morris building. That was 4 years ago. The building has been completed and they're not moving in. The city took a bite at the apple and the apple was poisoned. We've paid a premium to live in a low-rise, low-density city. So there is a plan, there is a guideline, and there is a goal. The city plan is called the general plan, and we've just completed it under my term as mayor, and I'm thrilled. It limits the density, height, scale, mass of buildings and structures throughout the city.
I work for you.
The community has access to the council, and when there is a problem, people can come forward and get help. I listen to all of the residents, and I care about what this community stands for. I'd like to serve you and finish what I started.